Hey folks, Jason Couto here from Couto Construction. Summer is here and it is the perfect time to invest in your home's exterior. When the weather's warm and dry, it's the ideal time to tackle those big exterior projects. So here's 3 of the many services that Couto Construction offers that will bring the heat to your home this summer. Number 1, roof replacements. Summer gives us clear skies to work fast and make sure that your home's protected before the fall storms start to roll in. And number 2, siding upgrades. New siding boosts curb appeal and energy efficiency, especially when the heat is beating down on your home. And number 3, gutter maintenance or replacement. Trust me, a clean and properly working gutter system saves you from water damage down the road. So if you're thinking about any of these projects or just want some expert advice, give us a call here at Couto Construction. We're here to help you and love your home even more. Enjoy the sunshine, and remember, when it comes to roofing, our family has got yours covered.